Technology is evolving faster than ever in 2025. From smart devices to cutting-edge software, today I'll be reviewing the top gadgets and showing you step by step how to use them. Hi, I'm Mr. H, and I break down complex tech so anyone can understand it. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just trying to keep up, this is the channel for you. In this video, I'll review the latest gadgets, share quick tutorials, and help you decide which tech fits your needs. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Smart AI Glasses Pro 2, which lets you access augmented reality anywhere. It's perfect for multitasking, navigation, and even live language translation. Hands-free AR navigation. First, let's go over how to pair it with your smartphone. Next, we'll set up voice commands to make your experience hands-free. And then, we'll dive into using the AR interface for directions. Pro tip: enable the privacy tint mode for added security in public. This wireless charging hub is redefining how we power devices in 2025. It supports multiple devices and delivers lightning-fast charging. It supports up to 5 devices simultaneously, features advanced cooling technology, and offers universal compatibility with all major brands. Let's start with setting up the station. Then we'll talk about the optimal device placement for faster charging. Finally, here are some maintenance tips to extend the hub's life. Pro tip: keep your charging station near your workstation for a seamless workflow. Let's talk software. The AI Productivity Suite 2025 takes your workflow to the next level with automated task management and real-time collaboration, smart scheduling and reminders, integrated video conferencing, AI-driven suggestions to enhance productivity, setting up an account and syncing devices, using AI for task prioritization, quick demo of the integrated calendar feature. Pro tip: use the AI brainstorming tool for creative projects. Here's a sneak peek at the Foldable Laptop Pro X, a game changer for portability and productivity in 2025. Flexible OLED screen with dual mode functionality. Compact lightweight design. Seamless transition between laptop and tablet modes. Switching between modes. Showcasing the display's vivid quality. Highlighting its portability in real-world scenarios. In 2025, tech is all about making life smarter and easier. From AI glasses to foldable laptops, these gadgets are leading the charge. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you next time.